Jai Siya Ram. Today we will discuss about one small story. Have you heard talkative tortoise? Laplapio Kachbo. The talkative turtle. This story tells us about what is the dangerous of talking too much. So talking too much is not good habit. How? Let's see with the story of this talkative turtle. There was a turtle and he was very talkative. He had two friends. They were cranes. Cranes means bagla. It is said that in somewhere it is talked that they were geese, means hunts. Whatsoever, nothing matter. So those geese means hunts or cranes, bagla, whatever you may take. So those geese were flying somewhere else. So they informed the turtle that we are going now because there is no water over here, and because it was famine mani dukar. So there was no rain. So there was no water in the pond, in the river. So they flew away. But they flew away with the tortoise. You know why? Because tortoise forced that I will come with you at any rate. Now they said that you have no wings, you cannot fly. How can we take you with us? Tortoise said, you find any way, but I will come with you. You find any way. At last, geese found an idea. They took a stick and from the two sides they gripped with their mouth, with their beak. From one side one goose, from one side another goose. And they told tortoise that you have to grab the stick with your mouth. But remember, if you speak, you will fall and you will die. Because we will be flying very high. So if you fall from that height, you will die. So please keep quiet. Do not speak. Tortoise agreed. He said, I will not speak anything. I will not open my mouth. But you bring me with you. Now geese flew with their stick and tortoise grabbed the stick with his mouth and they were flying. They passed from one village. When they were passing over a farm, some people were sitting in the farm. They saw these three animals, birds and tortoise, these three trio. So they just looked at and they were amazed and they just spoke. What a miracle! A tortoise is flying. What a nice scene. A tortoise is flying. When they spoke 2 or 3 times like this, tortoise could not remain without speaking. He could not control himself. Geese had given him warning. Geese had given him warning. Still, he did not follow their advice. And he opened his mouth to speak. And as soon as he opened his mouth, he fell on the land and he died. This story tells us speaking too much is not a good habit. હવે સમજો આ આખી વાર્તા મેં બહુ જ ધીરે ધીરે અને એકદમ કટકે કટકે કીધી. આ લિસનિંગ પ્રેક્ટિસ એ લોકો માટે છે જે હજી શીખે છે. દેટ્સ વાય આઈ ડિડન્ટ સ્પીક ફાસ્ટ. આઈ સ્પોક વેરી સ્લોલી એન્ડ જસ્ટ લાઇક ધ બિગિનર. તમે જ્યારે આ વાર્તા સાંભળો ત્યારે જુઓ કે એની અંદરમાં કયો ટેન્સ આવ્યો, કયું મોડલ આવ્યું, સેન્ટેન્સ મેકિંગ કઈ રીતની હતી. તો જ્યારે તમે આ વસ્તુ સાંભળશો, તમે જોશો, તમને એ રિયલાઇઝ થશે કે કોઈ પણ એક વાર્તા હોય એની અંદરમાં કયા કયા મુદ્દા જે છે સૌથી વધારે આવે છે. અને તમને એક એ પણ રિયલાઇઝ થશે કે આ આવડે એવું છે. નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ આવી જ એક બીજી વાર્તા આવી જ રીતે સ્લો મોશનમાં ધીરે ધીરે સાંભળવાની પ્રેક્ટિસ માટે અને અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગ માટે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરજો. જય સિયારામ.